Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very honored to speak to you for EON as one of a few exclusive partners of the United Nations Environment Programme to support the decade on ecosystem restoration. For us as an energy company, decarbonizing the energy sector is one key to fight climate change. But we also know by protecting our ecosystems as the planet's carbon sinks, we can fight climate change from another angle as well. EON is the largest distribution system operator in Europe. This is an opportunity to contribute even further. Therefore, I am proud to announce that we have started an investment initiative to establish rich ecosystems along 13,000 kilometers of our overhead power lines across Europe. With climate change and degrading ecosystems, we have tremendous challenges ahead of us. But we believe in the power of the many. We therefore invite our customers, suppliers and partners to help us to prevent, halt and reverse the destruction of natural spaces together with us. And with this, I give the word back and I wish all of us a good start into the decade on ecosystem restoration. Thank you.